this way. I was born in a flame.
It's absolutely brilliant. Also, I grew up in Glossop, and this is the biggest and best firework night I think I've ever seen. Especially it was cancelled last year. To have 10,000 people turning up this evening is absolutely brilliant. We had a really little display with the children's fireworks, so I'm really looking forward to what's going to be an amazing evening of fireworks.
We're raising a load of cash for Glossop charities, so we're all having a great time, and charities will have a heck of a lot of money in their pockets as well.
Brilliant. Fantastic, huge turnout, amazing night. Well done to Glossop Roundtable and all the volunteers who've done an amazing job putting this on.
I was going to say, what you see